Hi everyone, welcome to another Score A tutorial. Uh, Today we have a very interesting question. It's talking about pyramid. It's very relatable. They say a jewelry artist wants to make earrings in the shape of a right pyramid to sell. The pyramid will each be 6 centimeters tall, 2 centimeters long, and 2 centimeters wide. At the time the artist is working, gold costs $1,500 per ounce. 1 ounce of gold is approximately 25.604 cubic centimeters. What is the cost of the materials needed to make the gold pyramid for one pair of earrings? That is a very interesting question. So, with what they have given us, they have given us, let's say, 1 ounce of gold costs approximately 25.604 cubic centimeters. Therefore, tell us that we need to calculate the volume of the material that they want to use to make the earrings. So, if we know the volume of the material they need to use, the volume of the material, we can then convert that to actual money. So we can start by sketching the pyramid to see how it looks like. you know so the base is a square, so we can just draw something. So we can draw something. Okay, so something like this, something like that. So that can be our pyramid. The height, we have the height to be 6 centimeters. So this is 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. So we all know that the volume of a pyramid, I can call it VP, is equal to 1/3 the area of the base times height. So which would be 1/3. The area of the base is what is length squared. So the area of the base is a square, so it's just the length squared times the height. So if we multiply all of that, it would be 1/3 times we have the you know we have 2 squared times 6. So this is just going to give us 8 centimeters cube. So that is going to give us 8 centimeters cube. Now they told us that 1 ounce is approximately equal to um 25.604 cubic centimeters. Let me wipe that. Cubic centimeters. And they also gave us another information. They said at the time the artist is working, gold costs 1,500 per ounce. So we have also 1 ounce is equal to $1,500. So $1,500. That is the cost of 1 ounce. So from here, we can literally see that 1 centimeters. I mean, I'm talking about this plate. We can literally see that 1 centimeter cube, 1 cubic centimeters is equal to 1 ounce. All this divided by 25.604. You see, that is 1 centimeters. So, and also then you realize that therefore means that the volume of this pyramid of the earring would be equal to 8 times, since 1 centimeter cube is 1 ounce over 25.604, which will be 8 times 1 ounce all over 25.604. So this is gonna give us, so if you use your calculator, it points that we are gonna have 0.3 0.312 ounce. So that is the volume. So since we know the volume of the pyramid, we know the volume of the pyramid in ounces, we can now go ahead and say the cost would be what? The cost is going to be equal to 0.312 times the 1 ounce is $1,500. So this is going to give us 468.677 dollars. So it's gonna give us $468.677. Thank you. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section, and I'll be happy to reach out to you, or your email score8@gmail.com. Thank you.